various degrees of ability. Teachers, especially special education teachers, should be prepared with various tools to accommodate their students. All students were not created equal. Here are some ideas for differentiated assignments to help in your classroom. Tiered assignments use varied levels of tasks to make sure students complete assignments by using their skills at a level that builds on what they already know. Tiered assignments include tasks with various degrees of difficulty that all revolve around the same subject. Groups then come together to share what they have learned. Tiered assignments should be different work, not just more or less work. They should be equally active, interesting, and engaging. They should be fair in terms of work expectations and time needed, and they should require the use of key concepts, skills, and ideas. Think-Tac-Toe is a tiered differentiation tool that offers activities from which students can choose from to complete assignments and demonstrate understanding. Think-Tac-Toe is designed in the traditional tic-tac-toe form with a square consisting of 9 boxes. Students should choose 3 assignments to make either a vertical or diagonal tic-tac-toe pattern. The center square may be left open for the student to select an activity of their own. Here is a sample of a Think-Tac-Toe that could assist students with learning about the solar system. After the student completes their 3 assignments, groups should be made to discuss all the assignments to create a comprehensive understanding of the topic. The first row is composed of the easiest level of questions. The middle row gets a little harder, and the third and final row has the most difficult assignments. Students will have to choose one of each to complete their understanding of the topic. The RAF strategy is a writing technique that has students assume an unusual point of view while writing for a specific audience with a specific format on a certain topic. R stands for the role of the writer. In other words, who is the student's voice? This could be a famous person, a thing, a fictional character, etc. A stands for audience, or who the student is going to be directing their writing. F is the format of the writing. How will the student present their paper? It can be a persuasive letter, invitation, poem, song, or any other form of writing. T is the topic, or what will the student write about in their paper. Here's an example of the choices a teacher can offer the students to complete a writing assignment. One student can be assigned to write as the ozone layer, having pollution as their audience, in the form of a persuasive letter on the topic of depletion of the ozone layer. Anchor activities cater to students that tend to finish their assignments quicker than the rest of the class. These activities are especially useful with children who have ADD or ADHD because they provide fun activities that can keep them from idle class time. These assignments can also be used to free up time for the teacher to help students who may need extra attention. So why is differentiated instruction so important? Because students are not all alike, a classroom can be filled with a wide range of abilities. Teachers need to be flexible in their teaching methods to cater to many learning styles. In addition, students learn the best when they are challenged slightly above their comfort level. Differentiated instruction provides choices to the student so they can effectively challenge themselves. In a special education classroom, differentiated instruction is important because in an inclusive classroom, children feel that they can play an important part instead of feeling excluded, which can often occur in a mixed ability environment. Children with disabilities have an opportunity to play off their strengths and still get a comprehensive understanding of the topic through group work with peers. Children with behavioral disabilities are offered a range of interesting and challenging activities to combat disinterest. Lastly, teachers can pre-assess the student to find out what interests, dislikes, strengths, and weaknesses the child exhibits. Then they can adjust their profile to include visual, auditory, technological, and sensory aids to assist in their learning process.